Ciel est sombre de nuages, et même en chante nuit d'orage. On a le soleil est bruyant comme elle. Oh, je ne pense pas à me plaindre. Oui, j'ai fait un garçon si charmant. Je sais qu'il m'aime, autant que je l'aime. La vie est efficace, le soleil s'en va. Oui, je sais qu'il est à moi. All I need is you, baby, baby. Over.
Fica sair na câmera yote. You see that? Yeah, these guys are crazy here, my friend. Yeah, having a small car is like having everything, man. Let them go, you know. You see, some people have respect. Yeah, I saw some guy. You see? So I'm walking in this street, you know. So it has been raining. Look what they did to my shorts, man. The people of Bahamas. So I just pulled my phone out just to film, you know, because a few people did it until I was like, come on, man. Is there nothing, like, let me do something about it, you know? So since I picked my phone, some people have behaved. They don't care about pedestrian at all. Yeah. And actually this side of the road is wider. The other places it's really, really narrow. Super narrow. The sign man, you know? Yeah, that's really crazy. It makes you wonder, man. Huh? People from Bahamas, is that where you treat people, man? At least consider pedestrians walking on the streets, you know? At least, man. Yeah, like there's a guy who literally saw me filming and he came close and splashed out. Whoa, like whoa. We're in a place called Doctor's Hospital. Yeah, look. You see right there? Whoa! See that? Flashing water is like a lifestyle. Yeah. It's life, bro. You know? It's life. The good news is the rain has stopped raining, man. It was really hard, man. So it was too tough for me. But I think now it has gone down, you know. So tell me a place like this, you see. So a place like this, you have to get out of the road and run. Because you see the other car is showing you yellow right there coming. And it's flashing. You know? Yeah. Some people, when they see the camera, they slow down because they think maybe, who is this guy recording? He could be a government official, you know, something like that. So, but majority don't care. And sure, give this video a like, man. Comment what you think below. Just exploring the streets, you know, rainy day, and people flashing water on me like crazy. I don't mean like I'm so special. I can't be flashed water, but at least I'm showing you reality here in Bahamas when it rains. What maybe a local could be going through, you know. Yeah. You know, I watched some videos on YouTube. It's called Police the Police. You know what that means? So you're the eye, you're the policeman of the police. Whoa. So here, I think I'll have to trespass here and just be on the other side. Yeah. Right there. Whoa, 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 whoa. Police the police. Oh, 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 oh. Wow. Yeah, that guy went slow for me. I think. That guy right there. I just have to cross this place. I think that guy should. Right there, man. Man, look at these roads, man. It's water, so look. The road, I'm taking nearly half of the road, you know? Because I'm on my shoes, they're already wet. But again, yeah. Maybe I'll have to trespass here. Sweating street. Shishi. Wow. See right there. Sweating. I don't know if it's sweating or sweating. Yeah. My friend. So guys, it has been a nice day for me. I had a tour. Man, I had like beef rice and some small veg, you know, for 20 USD. Oh man. I don't even know how locals survive here, man. That's super expensive. It's like New York City, man. You know? Oh, there's this one car I want to show you. It's my favorite. I want to take a nice picture here. But I don't have anybody who should take me, you know? I want to take a very nice picture with this car. Every time I pass here, I see it and I'm like, wow. See this car right here? And the good thing is, it's for sale. Look how that car looks like. Damn. I feel like I should put the cell phone here. and pause for the car, man. Bahamas. Welcome to Bahamas, you know. You know, I'm filming using my phone, so if that guy stopped like this and picked it and actually, you not have seen this video. I think I'm a crazy guy sometimes. I do like crazy things in the streets, but I love the energy.